Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Made Simple. If you've ever tried turning images into videos using tools like Minimax or Kling AI, you probably know they're powerful but can be tricky to use. Today, I'll show you an alternative called TenserArt AI, a beginner-friendly tool that makes creating videos from still images super simple. We'll compare it to Minimax and Kling AI, do a quick step-by-step tutorial, and see how they stack up. Whether you're a professional or a casual creator, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. Let's start by looking at what these tools have in common. All three Minimax, Kling AI, and TenserArt AI let you create videos from still images. They offer AI-powered motion effects, adding depth and cinematic movement. But here's where they differ. Feature 1. Wide range of styles. TenserArt AI has an easy-to-navigate style menu, offering categories like cinematic, anime, abstract, and realism. No need to type complicated prompts like in Minimax. Feature 2. Cinematic motion effects. All three tools create realistic video effects, but TenserArt AI simplifies the process for casual users by automating the adjustments. Feature 3. Free daily credits. One standout feature of TenserArt AI is that it gives you free daily credits. That means you can experiment and create without worrying about costs, unlike Kling AI, which locks most features behind a paywall. Now let me walk you through how TenserArt AI works. It's super simple, and you'll have a video ready in just a few steps. Open the browser and search for TenserArt AI. Then click on the TenserArt website. Then go to the icon on top right corner to sign in. You can sign in using any of your Gmail accounts. For each account, you will get 50 credits. If you want to know about how to get unlimited free credits, then watch the video till the end and let me know in the comment section. After signing in, click on the AI tools. Then scroll down until you find out this tool with a SpongeBob icon on it. Then click on it and upload the image that you need to convert into video for free. After uploading the image, type the appropriate prompt. Here, for example, I am typing the brown-haired girl turning her head to right then to left. Then click on the Go button, then wait until it's finished. Now here's the final out. As you can see, the girl is moving her head to a side. Make the prompt more better to get more better results. Then you can download the video to your device for free without any watermark. Now see, the difference of an image is turned into video using AI. Here's what you don't want to miss. Tips for better results. To get the best results, here are 2 quick tips when using TenserArt AI or any other similar tool. Tip 1. Use high-quality images. Start with a high-resolution image. Tip 2. Experiment with styles. Don't be afraid to try different styles. A single image can look completely different depending on the style you choose. Comparison with Minimax and Kling AI now. Let's compare TenserArt AI with Minimax and Kling AI side by side. Minimax is incredibly versatile but requires you to type detailed prompts. This can be time-consuming if you're new to AI tools. Kling AI has a polished interface, but most of its features are paywalled. TenserArt AI is the most beginner-friendly. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require much input from you. Use Minimax for advanced, professional-grade projects where you need full control. Go for Kling AI if you're okay paying for premium features. And if you want something fast, easy, and free to start, TenserArt AI is a fantastic option for casual creators or beginners. And that's it. Minimax, Kling AI, and TenserArt AI are all amazing tools. But the right choice depends on your needs. Have you tried any of these tools? Let me know your experience in the comments below. And if there's another tool you want me to review, feel free to suggest it. Thanks for watching Tech Made Simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.